In today's video, I'll teach you how to pin reels and short videos on Facebook. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Facebook. You can see over here, Facebook has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So what you have to do is go to your profile. Tap on the profile icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be led to the profile interface. What you have to do is simply look into this section. You'll be able to find the options for posts, photos and reels. Tap on this option reels that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see all the reels that you've uploaded, or you can also see the short videos over here. So tap on the reel that you would like to pin. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see that reel over here. At bottom right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see the three dots. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. At second, you'll be able to find this option for pin to your reels. You can see over here, you'll be able to pin up to 3 reels. So simply tap on this option, pin to your reels. Now after you do that, this particular reel or short video will be pinned. Now it will appear at the top of your reels section. So like this, you'll be able to pin it. So that is how you pin reels and short videos on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.